Hello, designers. Welcome back to Architectural Intelligence. Everyone is using Revit software. Revit is fascinating for interior and architectural designs and best for BIM modeling. This is the architectural and engineer's first choice. If you have ever struggled with a repetitive modeling or want to boost your workflow efficiency, this plugin will save you a ton of time. So make sure you watch till the end. For access the block plugins, go to the blocks in a Revit. Here, after we will open, there is a plugin option and you can download. It's a free actually. Here, download it. You need to sign in this page. I already downloaded it, so I will show you. This is how the plugin works. Directly you can place in your model. I download it, and here you can see the plugin. The plugin panel. There is a varieties of different element for the interior. Everything you can edit. It's a free. You can gain up to 7,000 plus Revit families at a time. And also there is a pro subscription. You can save these files as well. Here for sample, here I can place them directly to our model. You can rotate it and place it wherever you want. Okay. There you can see the plugin. This is the best plugin model in Revit that I ever seen. And this is the very best, and I highly recommend this plugin for the Revit family. You can access various types of element for the interior design. Now you know how to use the block plugins in Revit to create powerful and reusable families. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and comment, and subscribe to Architectural Intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.